Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amelia Shafa Kartika, and I would like to present the assignment of Integrated Design Studio. The name is Kegriya, the new living unit. So we started from the summary. So by paying attention to the requirements given by the client, a solution from the architect is needed to achieve optimal results and satisfy both parties. So with its name, Kegriya, this house is expected to be a home to return and to rest, a house where the residents are comfortable to do all their life activities and be a part of their life. The next one is about the project brief. So for the client is named Endang Purwitasari, is a dentist and a housewife. She lives in a house in the Sleman sub-district with her husband and two children. Ibu Sari practices as a dentist at the community health center in Magelang from Monday to Thursday and opens a dental clinic at her home every Friday and Saturday. So for the requirements, Ibu Sari wants a house that fulfills her activities as a housewife and dentist without any formal boundaries. In addition, clients want their services to make the clients more comfortable by bringing up a family where the patient is considered as a guest. For the occupant, there are the husband, the 55 years old, the first child, 22 years old, and also the second child, 17 years old. The next one is about the site information. So the site is located at Rejondani, Pelumpung Sardono Harjo Ngagli District, Sleman Regency. So for the site is an empty land which has an area of 3,700 square meters. The urban is located in the vicinity of residential housing and shops owned by the residents. And for the rural aspect, it has a direct access to the Boyong River and the surrounding trees that are still beautiful and shady. For the site regulation from the Sleman Regency is about the buildings in medium location with KDB above 45% up to 60%. Next one is about the description of issue and problematic. The problem that occurs in accordance with are the experience of events experienced by the clients is the existence of a formal boundary between the client's workspace as a dentist and her activities at home. In accordance with the client's background as a dentist who works in interprovincial health service centers in Magelang, so this makes the client feel less comfortable with this limitation and makes the client feel less free to carry out other activities in the house as a housewife. So the design goals and proposed value are the convey the placement of the dental clinic inside the house and being part of the house. So this will make the mobility of the dentist easier, and also it can improve the family relation with the patient and also the client as a dentist. Next one is about the location. For the climatic condition in the site is classified as rainfall is very wet. And also for the topographic condition, it is located at the slopes of Mount Merapi with an altitude of 150 until 350 meters above the sea level. For the site analysis, here we can see the sun path, the wind direction, and also the green areas surrounding the site. Next one is about the circulation and traffic. So the site is located nearly at the Jordani Street and also the Palagan Street. For the architectural quality, here we can see about the access of the power pole and so the water from PDAM and also the access of the natural light. For the president, I'm choosing the CH house by the other architect. And for the design exploration, I make a building mass from the on-site and also it developed into 2-story and also can complete it into a full house. For the site development, the first one is from the site plan and also I'm doing the division of build-up plan. Then I'm doing the landscape development at the back of the site, then the garden development at the front and also the back, and then the access to the building. For the site development is the entry of the building can only found on the front of the building, which is directly adjacent to the living room, garden, kitchen, and dining room, and it is immediately an open space without the physical barriers. For the building engineering concept, here we can see that for the frame of the building consists of the beam, the foundation, the column, and the slab. And for the building material, for the roof, I'm using the bitumen roof tile that is made of asphalt combined with polymerized rubber or plastic, then reinforced with the fiberglass. For the wall, I'm using the double brick layer, a layer of concrete that has an adjacent brick layer on the exterior. For the column, I'm using the reinforced concrete, and for the other interiors are using the solid wood, and for the flooring, I'm using the cement concrete flooring. For the building infrastructure, I'm using the if then but. If there is an air filtration system in the dentist building, then the air in the building will be safer and the health rate will be reduced, but it will produce noise. The one solution that can be done is to apply an air filtration system that can inhale harmful air from the dentist room to be filtered in a system and removed outside the building in a clean and safe condition. In addition, the filtration system can also absorb the noise generated by exhaust so that activities in the room are not disturbed. For the architectural drawing, here we can see the ground floor plan and the first floor plan. Here we can also see the section of the building and also the elevation of the building. Also, we can see the detail of the building of the section and the interior rendering. This one is the bedroom of the children. This one is for the office for the husband, which is need the natural lighting and also the air circulation. And also this is the living room and the stairs to go into the first floor. The next one is the interior rendering. Here is the front view of the building, and this is the back balcony. And I am also adding some perspective sketch in the interior and exterior perspective. Okay, so maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.